Hello, friends, and welcome to this discussion. I hope that you are all doing well. Today, I'll be showing you how you check green card results. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing for more and also in support of this channel. The first thing you need to note is that when you have applied for green card, you are assigned a confirmation number, and that confirmation number will be needed when you will be checking for the results, when the results will be out for that program. So you need to keep that confirmation number well. Also, the family name that you use, you need to note it because you're going to use it also, and also the year of birth. So those are the three things that you need to check the results. You also need a device that has internet connection because all this is done online. Another thing you need to note is that these results are not sent through email. You need to come to the official site and check. Also, these results are not published so that there is a list of the selected people that is published. No, you need to check to see if you've been selected or you've not been selected. And the final thing you need to note is the naming of this green card applications programs. For example, for the year 2023, the results that will be out are for the DV 2024, and DV stands for Diversity Visa. 2024 shows by when these selected people will have to relocate to the United States. So for the DV 2024, by September 30th, 2024, everything closes about the DV 2024 green card DV lottery application. So the next one, if nothing changes, will be DV 2025. And for the year 2024-2025, that is according to the US government. To know when the next green card program application window will open, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any discussion that I post, and so that also you may know when that time come, so that you can try your luck by applying for the green card in this year if this has been your desire. This is how you check the results. You will search for the dvprogram.state.gov site. And it will take you to US Department of State and electronic diversity visa program. Thank you. Then there is the DV 2024 and DV entrance status check. That this shows you when the results will be out. Currently, you can only check for the DV 2023, but soon you'll be able also to check DV 2024. So you go to check status, then you're taken to this page where you're told what you need to check the results. That's the confirmation number, the family name, the year of birth. You click continue, and in this area, on the area named number one confirmation number, this is where you enter your confirmation number. Then this is where you enter your family name under number two. Number three, you enter the year of birth. Then number four, you enter these special characters just to prove that you're not a robot, and then you submit. Once you click submit, the next place it takes you will show if you have been selected or you have not been selected. And that's how simple you check the results. So you need to keep the confirmation number safe, the one you get when you did application, the family name, the year of birth, and you come to this official site and check your results. Friends, there are two outcomes, possible outcomes when you have applied for green card. You are either selected or you're not selected. And that's how you check the results. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing if you've not done that yet. and also like and share with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this information in their immigration journey. I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.